This video was gonna be me backtesting my strategy, but I am seeing some sort of potential trade here, so we'll see if I can get a trade in or not. And then after this, we will continue to backtest. This might be a long one, so sorry guys. But my idea is here. On the 15-minute, if you scroll all the way back, there are equal highs here. Relatively equal. We just punched in another one. So this is looking good. We have a 5-minute order zone. And now I want to see us create a 1-minute order zone off of this. Rejecting off of this zone right here. Technically, let's just make it a different color. There's too many things going on right now. Technically, this could have been a trade. I just don't like how far away it is to this zone here. We already hit a 1-to-1, but that's not what I'm looking for. When the zone's too far away, I think there's a higher chance of us just blowing right past it. I like it where it's like this, where it's right, like relatively close, taking this trade down. But right now, let's see how many contracts I need to put in if I do take a trade. 11, that's quite a lot, but it's doable. Let's see if we can make anything here. Hopefully we bounce off of the top of this daily imbalance. That would be good for me, or even go all the way down here. Because we do have the 15-minute gap, if we tap into this, I am going to look for longs. Well, I'm going to look for longs either way, but this is my draw right now. I think if I move over, yeah, all of these highs, they're all relatively equal. Good targets to take. Chart looks kind of wild right now, but it's because Asia session, we just pumped all the way up. So I'll probably get rid of some of these levels since they're a bit far away. Like, I don't need this anymore. Don't need that. Don't need that. This was liquidity. Don't need that. And I think that is it. We're seeing some rejection here. If we create another order zone here, I will punch at it, go high, stops below these 5 minutes. Because if this fails, then I would wait until the 15-minute gap and then I'll look for a long again. So this is good rejection here. Let me see if we can get anything out of this thing. Alright. Now we wait. Wait. This push up. 1 tap in. Push up again. 2 tap in. Take long. Target these highs. Obviously, I'm not going to target these highs. I might just go for this little wick here. I'm going to do... This 1-to-1 I don't like too much. Maybe I'll go to here. Or even all the way up here. This one's a bit riskier, but I mean, it looks fine. It looks fine. I'll do 11. Play a little safe. Excuse me. But I did want to talk about what I'm planning to do for the next, couple of months. I have slowed my roll on some eval accounts, slowed my burn rate on them. But I think what I want to do now, I currently have five 50k PA accounts, but I think Apex has a sale right now, but I will not transition, but I will get more 25k accounts. And the reason for that is uh I can get a payout from the 25k accounts as soon as my account hits 1600. And obviously I've done that before on these 5k accounts. I haven't uh so I can use the same risk. It's going to be riskier on the 25k account, but I can use the same risk amount and then get to the payout quicker. Um, and then I've also seen Diego Trades do it to get his payouts, and I think it's not. Let's see, now we're getting rejection. That is a good rejection. I want to see us come back down though. Retest the zone. Then I'll look for longs. But yeah, I'll risk the same amount for all of the accounts, right? So the 50Ks will be less risk, but it'll be a bit higher risk uh for our 25k accounts. The only problem with that is for the 25k accounts, I can only take one trade a day since uh since I can get a maximum of 450 something, 460. I forgot how much it was. Uh the amount of risk in a day, so I can't take 2 trades a day for the account. And now we're blasting up. Yeah. This technically, I could have technically got in here, but I mean, was I that comfortable? Not really. It's honestly just too far. 5 minute did look good though. 5 minute looked perfect. Could I have taken it on like a 5? I guess. This would have been a trade I could have taken, but it is what it is. But we can accumulate up here one more time for our trade to target these highs. I will take it. The risk is obviously going to be a lot smaller, but I'm going to just put a alert here to see if we tap back down into these anyway, and I'll put alert at this level as well. And probably gonna wait for something to happen. If nothing happens, this will just be the video. I want to just talk about what I plan on doing with evals. I need to stop saying but I need to think about what I wanted to do with my evals, and I think I came up with a plan of getting 25k accounts. I'm probably gonna run up a couple of evals, pass a couple evals, and hopefully get my first payout. I was eligible before. I'm just gonna say that I was eligible before. I can continue this. It'll be great. I will. This is a trade. You guys see it. If not, then whatever. After this, I will make a video of my I can't think right now. I'll make a video of my back testing. I did another session yesterday and I got a 70% win rate, which was fantastic. So overall for my strategy, it's a 75% win rate, and I think that is great. But you guys will see that soon. Thanks, guys. There's a potential setup here, but see, the only thing I don't like about this is how far away we are from the level that I did mark out. If I can find another level that makes sense to where we are, then I would take a stab at it, but for now, is there anything in this? Anything here? Well, that's good enough for me. That is good enough for me to enter if I do see retracement. I'll disregard that level for now. But yeah. Torture on top one. I'll take a stab at it. I will take a stab at it. Probably only gonna target these highs up here if we run up to it. It would be a shame if this did not push up, but that is neither here nor there. We did get a good reaction off of the zone anyways, so if this does break again, I'm probably gonna wait until all the way down here to trade, or if actually yeah, I'd wait to here. I don't really want to trade all the way back down to these levels. Like I don't want to go short here. I don't think trading into gaps is good for me anymore. I'd rather just wait to trade out of the gaps towards clear liquidity. Because I could take shorts down here if this fails, but I have not tested that, so I will not trade that. See, this is looking good too. This is our low for liquidity. This is the order zone. Hopefully we stab down further into it. I would prefer a little further stab just for RR purposes. That's a bit. I mean, it's still decent, you know. Obviously, could wait until all the way over here, but we are in lunch time right now, so don't expect too much. Did ES stab down? No. And now we wait. And now we wait. If this doesn't stab down soon, though, I'm not gonna take it because again, um, I don't really like trades that take a while to enter. I like to see quick stabs, quick grabs like this. This was also a stab short. Again, because we have liquidity here, I don't want to stab short. Although this, we could be creating another equal high here, but it's fine. If we do that, then whatever. I'm not mad. If we enter off of this higher candle, I'm not too. I won't be too mad because I did consciously did not put my stop up there, my entry up there. We could stab back into this because all of this makes sense to me, right? We have the volume imbalance, we have the IFAG, we have this order zone here. This is the stacked. Looks like 5 minute is here though. 15 minute looks good. Do another stab down. I think these levels reflect a little better than my previous ones. We can see clear, good bounces off of them. So I'm happy with these levels. Clear, good bounces.
Order filled.
And now we're in, and now we just wait patiently. I'm gonna use a stop. I'm gonna use a sell limit because of. I'm gonna use a sell limit because of drawdown purposes. Could have entered in on that low order block. Low order zone. Different than order block. Or the way I mark it out. Yeah, it's a little different. The way I mark out my like order blocks, it's like the lowest closed candle. Uh so like this would have been the order block, right? But I like my order zones to be adding the wick as well. So it's the very, very bottom of all of this, because this to me is a rejection block here as well. So for me, I want to capture both of those. And then I've noticed I don't put my stops to break even unless it's a big push up, or it's a two candle closes above here. Then I put my stops to break even. I did my analysis, and now I sit on my hands until something happens. And also, what helps sometimes too is I just leave it on 5 minutes. Then I won't read too much into the price action. If we go lower, so be it. I'm gonna wait till we enter this zone here. Put you on this screen instead, so I don't have to keep staring at the charts. Could get stopped out here. Not too mad about it. Not too mad about it. My analysis was good enough. I was happy with it. I am happy with it, so sometimes you just take L's. Sometimes you just take L's. It is what it is. I got stopped out for more than... What the fuck? Probably fees and shit, maybe. Huge drop. $15 doesn't present anything. 5 minute doesn't represent anything. I'd like to see the sweep of these lows before we do anything. If we sweep this and then bounce back up, I'll look to take highs again. Or if anything, do come back up, I can look for that again. But for now, I think that's gonna be it. This video's long as fuck already, so it's another day. See, and now because of the backtesting, I'm confident that I don't really need to make this back because my trade ideas are good enough.